Hello. Zoe is a professional motocross rider. She has a bike shop, she's brilliant at her business, and has many customers. Work through these math problems, and they will help you with the assignment that comes with this video. Zoe buys motorcycles and then marks them up 45%. Write the markup as a decimal. Okay, remember, percent to decimal, you need to divide by 100. So 45 divided by 100 is 0.45. Now, this is not the markup, not yet, because you need to do both steps. Step 1 is to convert the percent to a decimal by dividing by 100. Step 2 is to multiply by the original number. So in this case, you don't know the original number, but you know it's a motorcycle. So put M for motorcycle, and that's one way to write, that is the way to write the markup. Now, letter B, write two expressions for the sale price of a motorcycle. So please remember that you need your 100% original price plus you need the 45% markup. So you can add that together and get 145% and then do step 1. Convert the percent to a decimal by dividing by 100. So 145 becomes 1.45. 100 becomes just 1 because you move your decimal place twice to the left, plus 45 with the decimal moved twice to the left is 0.45. But remember, step 2 also is to multiply by the original amount. 1m plus 0.45m equals 1.45m. These two expressions are equivalent. 1m plus 0.45m, that is the same as 1.45m, and they both show the sale price of the motorcycle. Okay? So now, what is the sale price of a motorbike Zoe bought originally for $5,000? So take this amount right here and then multiply by the original number. 5,000 times 1.45. $7,250. And then letter D, how much money did Zoe profit? You need to do 7,250, the sale price, nope, too many zeros, minus 5,000, and you get $2,250 as her profit. Oops. Now, do the assignment that goes with this video. It's your first graded assignment since we started.